AI factories deploy multiple millions in GPU hardware. But tracking what that hardware actually earns has meant stitching together spreadsheets and Slack conversations between sales, operations, and accounting. Not anymore. You deserve to see exactly what your infrastructure earns. With the Revenue Dashboard, AI factories get a single view of total revenue earned across their fleet. Break it down however you'd like, by chip type, time period, weekly, monthly, or quarterly. See exactly which GPUs are earning and which are sitting idle. Utilization curves per chip type show where demand is strong and where to inform your next deployment and pricing decisions. Every deal, every price, every invoice, all in one place. No more email threads, no more reconciliation across fragmented datasets. One-click CSV export gives your accounting team clean data, ready for revenue recognition and accounts receivable. So your accounting team has everything they need. Full revenue transparency, chip-level utilization, complete invoicing, hourly data refresh. Your AI factory hardware is working. Now see exactly what it earns. Another reason why the best build on Hydra.